explain to me Earth Cake. What is Earth Cake?
Earth Cake is when the world shakes up and there's an earth cake and you have to hide behind something or hide in a wall in between a, like that. I need to hide like that. Move.
Shut the fuck up.
Come here. There's an earth cake. There's an earth cake.
Shut up. Bitch. Oh my god. You're done, dude. You're done.
That's an earth cake.
I'm sorry, honey. That's an earthquake, you fucking dumb fuck. Not an earth cake. Fuck you. You look so beautiful when you cough. Yo, try and get it, bitch. Shut up. Shut up. No way. This is not happening. You dumb bitch.
Whoa.
Jill, I love you. This is why you're my best friend. You're retarded. I can't take this anymore. Goodbye.